Even before a global pandemic suddenly separated us from friends and family, America had begun to grapple with an epidemic of loneliness. In recent years, medical studies cited by the CDC have found loneliness carries with it physical risks comparable to smoking, obesity, and a lack of physical activity. The problem is particularly acute in men. One pair of friends is shining a light on the problem through a popular podcast where they encourage guys to connect. NBC's Gadi Schwartz has our Sunday Spotlight.
Matt Ritter and Karo call themselves champions of friendship.
Hey!
Friends for over 35 years, the two, along with 7 others, gather every fall over a steak dinner and take a vote. Who had the best year? And the winner is crowned Man of the Year and gets a big old trophy.
What do people think when you tell them about the trophy?
I'd say their first reaction is, I wish I had something like that.
It's a physical manifestation of friendship ensconced in silver and wood.
We always say it's not really about the physical trophy. It's just about something bringing us together 365 days a year.
But theirs is an unusual connection. For years, adult friendships have been on the decline, resulting in a so-called friendship recession. And while women haven't completely escaped the trend, the problem seems to be hitting adult men particularly hard. According to a recent survey, 15% of American men say they have no close friends, and 50% say they have 3 or fewer friends outside of family members.
Guys have been taught to prioritize career and family, and then they get to our age and they're like, oh, wait, I haven't talked to my friends in 10 years. And the wives are like, get out of the house.
That's why Karo and Ritter started the Man of the Year podcast.
Welcome to Man of the Year.
Using their own experiences to help others make and keep friends.
I think we've forgotten how much we need that human connection, especially in the past years of the pandemic. We need that human connection as much as we need, money and exercise and everything else.
Friendship, as it turns out, can be good for your health, with a Harvard study showing loneliness can be as bad for you as smoking or excessive alcohol use. The same study found close relationships keep people happy and have a larger effect on mood over time, more than money or financial success. And if you're looking to make new friends, step outside.
Oh! We tell people to find your third place, which is your home is your first place, work is second place, third place is any place that people socialize besides those. So place of worship, bar, Topgolf.
In the spring, when the weather gets nice, that's what we call friendship cuffing season. There's a lot more activities, things to do. You want to go out and be social, so you need friends to go do that with.
Karo and Ritter say the thing to remember:
be the ball.
Be the friend.
Well, we always say be the friend, as opposed to waiting for someone else to be the friend to you. I got these tickets, this is where I'm going, and this is what we're happening.
The best equation for a friendship is simple.
2 words.
Showing up.
Yeah, you just got to show up for your friends on the good times, the birthdays, the bad times, the illnesses. It's actually not that complicated or difficult.
We want to just help you a little bit. You just need to do a tiny bit more. The effort is low and the rewards are super high.
For Sunday Today, Gadi Schwartz, Los Angeles.
I love you, buddy.
I love you too.
Calling my buddies right after the show. Gadi, thanks so much.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.